now to some of our unique facilities is our university farm, which is 635 hectares, housing 390 dairy cows, 230 sows, 2 sheep flocks, 70,000 hens, a beef unit, a 40-point internal rotary system, robotic dairy, a smart dairy, a veterinary centre, an animal companion house, and a brand new veterinary school. Our animal facilities include a veterinary service centre and an animal companion house, which I can only describe to you as a pet shop, as it includes your typical household pets, reptiles and amphibians, allowing students to learn how to handle these animals as well as looking into their health and welfare. Our agricultural engineering facilities include the soil hall, which, as you can see, is pretty much a field inside a hall. This allows for machinery demonstrations, product development and training, provides a means to verify health and safety measures in design and development of precision farming applications. There is no live matter in the soil, and there is irrigation along the side to allow in change of the composition of the soil. This September 2020 will see our first Harper and Keele Veterinary School pupils, a joint venture with Keele University, who are based in Newcastle in Staffordshire. The Bachelor of Veterinary Medicine and Surgery is 5 years, with training to be delivered at both universities.
The clear benefits of the partnership model that we've undertaken here are the combined strengths. 2 equal partners, 2 universities, both bring very different facilities and resources and personnel to bear on a new vet school. Together, we've got the facilities, the expertise, the resources. No other vet school really can claim to have such deep strengths in research and teaching excellence. In terms of the ethos of the school, it's very much a contemporary vet school that wants career-ready day one graduates. Graduates need to understand how they can affect the profitability of the practice that they're working in. Our graduates do not work in an equivalent to the NHS. They work typically for small, medium enterprises or larger corporate organisations. They need to understand the role they play. So an understanding of the business elements is hugely important. Keele University brings the benefits of teaching and research excellence, particularly from the medical school, but also with other allied professions such as pharmacy and psychology.
So the partnership between Harper and Keele is a unique opportunity to combine one university with a rich history in agricultural and veterinary education and a second university with a rich history in clinical and preclinical sciences. And I think what this enables us to do is to take the best of both. So the strengths at Keele with the preclinical sciences combined with the strength at Harper with existing allied veterinary programs, I think is a really unique partnership.
Harper Adams has an enviable track record of programs that are allied to veterinary science, veterinary physiotherapy, the agricultural sciences. A vet program can sit as the hub within those various programs and benefit greatly from shared resources and expertise. A huge benefit are the pre-existing resources around the various livestock enterprises. There are herds of cattle, sheep, pigs, which any vet school would be hugely envious of.
was really inviting and everyone was really welcoming.
You tend to get the feeling that most people know everyone else, and that was quite important for like campus style accommodation and university. Is I prefer that to city centres and stuff like that.
You always feel welcome. Everyone's so friendly. I think one of the main things people worry about when they come to university is making friends, whereas like I was really worried about that, but I made friends so quickly. Like everyone's so friendly.
The industry needs talented and diverse veterinary students like you. Whether you're based at Harper Adams or Keele University, you'll be able to capitalise on the strengths of both. There's never been a better time to achieve your dream of becoming a vet.